Welcome to skillblazer.com. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of data science? Are you eager to unlock the secrets hidden within vast data sets and turn them into valuable insights? Look no further, because we have the perfect course just for you. Introducing Python for Data Science course for beginners. In this comprehensive and beginner-friendly course, you'll dive headfirst into the fascinating realm of data science using one of the most powerful tools at your disposal, Python. Whether you're an absolute beginner or have some programming experience, this course is designed to meet you where you are. Our expert instructors will guide you through every step, ensuring that you build a solid foundation in Python programming and data analysis. Throughout the course, you'll work on real-world projects, putting your newfound skills into practice. You'll analyze data, draw conclusions, and present your findings, just like a professional data scientist. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what some of our past students have to say about their experiences. skillblazer.com, your gateway to excellence. Enroll today and seize the 90% discount. We can't wait to see you in class.